Hello there, future JES stars. Welcome to our study resources, your one stop destination for everything you need to ace your NEET prep. You are just one step away from unlocking a treasure trove of study materials, carefully designed to support your journey at JES. From exclusive practice books and topic wise modules, all crafted by our expert faculty, to previous year questions. Everything you'll find here is designed with one thing in mind, and that is helping you succeed. Ready to explore? Come on, let's take a quick look at what's waiting for you. All right, let's dive into the world of physics. Exciting, right? I mean, physics isn't just a subject, it's an adventure in itself. And here's something specially just for you. We have an exclusive set of 2 practice books for physics, one for 11th grade and one for 12th grade, specially printed for JES by a renowned publication house. These books aren't just any practice books. They are packed with carefully curated physics problems designed to help you master the key concepts and truly excel in your studies. Whether you are starting out or already deep into your preparation, these books will be your ultimate guide to conquering physics. Ready to take on the challenge? Let's get started. Now, before we move to the modules, let's take a moment to hear from Malhar. Malhar is our student from the batch of NEET 2018. Let's listen to him as he shares his experience as to how solving problems from Bangui made a significant difference in his NEET preparation as far as physics is concerned.
I've heard these 3 letters from everyone, like HCV, MTG, GRB, they're like everywhere. Assuming NEET, हाँ ये किया solve किया, JEE किया, it's useless. Don't go around all these books. You'll feel कि हाँ इतना solve किया मैंने, I've solved एक पूरा chapter किया एक दिन में, it's of no use. You're wasting your time. Okay, you'll get FSTs, MTPs, and topic tests. They're more than enough. Solve them, keep solving them again and again and again. That's more than enough. And books. I personally solved Bangui. Bangui is like endorsement. I will endorse Bangui for free. It is that good. Sir, when we came here, he said that, देखो, एक काम करो, ये book लो, solve करो. We were like, fine, क्या book है? JS रहेगा कुछ तो, like MT रहेगा, GRB रहेगा. नहीं, it was Bangui. Bangui is a small book, इतना सा book है, but it does wonders. Last NEET 30, I got 30 in physics. This साल I got 131. So that's because of Bangui. I used to hate physics. Now the word here is used to. After this year, I love physics. I will do physics for how much time you want.
moving on from practice books to something that is absolutely essential for your preparation are subject-wise, topic-wise modules. These aren't just any ordinary study guides. They are informative, comprehensive, and thoughtfully crafted by our expert faculty to ensure you have everything that you need to master each and every subject. Let's start with physics. Whether you're tackling the fundamentals or diving into advanced concepts, our physics modules are packed with summarized notes, colorful diagrams that make complex ideas come to life. And you have practice questions to reinforce your understanding. But that's not all. We know that mastering physics means knowing your formulae inside out. That's why we made sure to include all the key formulae in the modules. You'll also have previous year questions to give you that extra edge. Next up, chemistry. Let's talk about our chemistry modules. These modules help you master the fundamentals and advanced concepts with ease. They are designed to make learning both accessible and enjoyable. Whether you are a beginner or looking to deepen your knowledge, we've broken down complex concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand lessons. Let's take a deeper look at what you can expect in these modules. Number one, there are clear and concise notes. These are clear and structured notes that cover everything from basic principles to more advanced topics. Each module is written in a way that helps you grasp the key concepts quickly and efficiently, with step-by-step explanations to guide you through each topic. Like in all our modules, you have practice questions. Learning chemistry requires practice, and our modules are packed with practice questions that test your understanding, from simple recall to more challenging problem-solving exercises. These questions are designed to reinforce what you've learned and help you identify areas for improvement. So students, whether you are struggling with balancing equations, understanding thermodynamics, or mastering organic chemistry, our modules provide strategies and explanations to help you approach even the most challenging topics with confidence. After chemistry, let's talk about the most important and the most loved subject, and that's biology. Biology has the maximum number of topics in NEET as compared to physics and chemistry. It also has the maximum marks, that is 360 out of 720 is biology, which means it has 50% weightage in the NEET paper. So let's see what our biology modules reveal. Our biology modules are designed to help you master every topic you'll need to ace the exam, from cell biology to plant kingdom, from human reproduction to ecology. Every module is packed with clear, easy to understand notes, breaking down complex concepts into manageable sections. We've included a lot of vibrant diagrams and visual aids that bring each topic to life, making abstract concepts like photosynthesis or body fluids and circulation much easier to understand. These diagrams not only help reinforce what you're learning, but also give you a visual reference to improve your retention power. To make sure you're fully prepared, we've added a lot of practice questions after every module and included previous year NEET questions. This will help you test your knowledge, pinpoint weak areas, and get a feel for the types of questions that might appear on the exam.